Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day 2. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And today we're going to be crafting our wreath as we showed you in the previous video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it right now.
Right now.
So we're just waiting for Gordon's hot glue machine to continue heating up.
It's starting to drip.
It still needs a bit more.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just going to start with opening everything up. Maybe like some of these bags, like you can just tear them open, I think.
Yeah, I'll just tear these open. It's all good. Okay, so remember to like and subscribe and all that fun YouTube stuff.
Comment down below what you liked about the video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell.
And hopefully we'll see you in a bunch more videos.
Please. Okay. You got the one. How many more is left?
Just one more tag, I think. Okay.
Alright.
Oh yeah, mine is getting mighty. Almost there. I wonder if this is ever going to actually get hot. Anyway.
I'm just cutting these ends a little shorter.
Yeah.
Maybe you can help with that?
Yeah.
While I attempt to wrap this around.
And this shorter. And take tag off. Okay. Now you don't have to glue it at every turn.
That's just the start.
Yeah. Be fine.
Fun.
Fun with glue.
Alrighty.
The glue items.
Okay, so I believe that is not gonna move.
I believe you're right.
Okay.
So you want to just like wrap it around and see what happens?
Yeah.
All the way around it?
I don't know. Like, should I like wrap it in, like go like that,
Through?
or just around?
Just around, I think.
Because it'll be less complicated.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to help.
Yeah, I can hold this.
Because I'll be gluing in spots.
Yeah, it depends on, like, just wait for the...
So I decided to do a voiceover instead of just playing music. I thought describing what's going on in the video would be more interesting than just listening to music. Gordon and I are currently gluing the string of leaves to the ring to help it stay secure. This is so it doesn't move around, it doesn't get messed up when we store it for the next fall. And we're just being extra careful not to burn ourselves with the hot glue. And we just do this until it's complete. If you're at home trying this yourself, please be careful of burning yourself. Please don't. Be very careful. Try to blow it while it's wet so it cools down faster. You'll know the hot glue is dry when it's not clear. It's kind of foggy in appearance. And side note, the hot glue from Dollarama didn't work that well. We ended up using it for this project and another one. It's not worth your money. Just go to Walmart. You'll get a much better one. It might be about the same price anyways, and it will definitely last longer. And complete.
Okay.
On to phase 2. Okay, I was actually thinking of this guy next.
Oh, yeah, okay.
If that's okay.
No
Okay,
worries.
this one, oh, you already cut it shorter, I'm guessing.
So step 2 is a lot like step 1, except you're adding more strings of leaves to make it look fuller. You're going to do this multiple times until you get to the end result. Still gluing in place. You don't need so much glue. Maybe at the beginning, like for the front and the end of the string, you might want to put extra glue on both sides. But when you're just gluing it in place just to keep things moving, a single application of glue is sufficient. You don't need anything more than that. As you see, our cat was trying to get in the video there. She was being adorable. Gordon patting her. He's the best cat daddy in the world. Okay, back to what we were doing. So I'm just gluing the string of leaves down, making sure it's cool, and moving on to the next steps over until we reach the end.
And we're stuck.
We're stuck there. Good.
All right. Phase 2. How do you think we did so far? Comment down below.
All right, so this should get stuck in an area that's open.
Okay, that was warm.
Here. I think here.
As a starting point.
As a starting point, yeah. Well, these are short.
So by now the wreath will start to look a little bit more full. I wanted to go for like a really full looking wreath, so that's why I ended up getting 4 strands of leaves. You can mix and match with whatever you like. In the description down below I can link how to do all these steps, so you don't have to like rewatch the video if you're trying to do this at home. If you're having your children help you, please like make sure that they're not burning themselves. These burns are pretty bad, like they cause some pretty bad blisters. Both Gordon and I have burned ourselves lots of times as children. We just learned this while recording this video about each other. It's funny, we've been together 6 years and we're still learning things about each other every single day. So yeah, be very careful when using hot glue applicators, shall we say, because we can't say the actual word for YouTube. Yeah, and as you can see, my wreath is just coming along until we're done.
Yeah, like that. Okay, let's glue it right at this T. You see right where I'm pointing? That's where the glue is going to go.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Neither can I.
I am trusting you not to burn me.
So in this clip, you'll see Gordon and I continue to put on the string of leaves onto the wreath, making it look fuller as we go. Towards the end of the clip, I start to add little accents on the wreath, like acorns, pine cones, glistening pumpkins, I think I was adding. This is to just help secure things down and make it look a bit more fuller as I go, so when I got to the last string I could wrap around it so it looked fully full. You want a fully full wreath, of course, no bare spots. You just want it looking beautiful as much as you can. I'm sure everybody may or may not know this, but at least that's what I was looking for in a wreath. I had to get rid of my previous, well, I didn't really exactly get rid of it per se. I might get rid of it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. My previous wreath, just because it was looking really bare, and that is the finished product of this third step. And now we go on to step 4.
I think that's...
Turn off the lights, maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, yeah. So let's, hopefully that'll show up on the thing. So
Alrighty.
we have one more of these strings to go.
Yeah, so it's looking really bare around here. So let's try to start it like, I think...
Do you want to start it with a berry right there?
Have the berry be here. So this part will go here.
So now I'd like to talk about some wreath making tips. Number 1, most important thing is planning ahead. You want to know what you need to get, what type of materials you want to use. You can use various different types of materials. For fall, say you wanted to use burlap for something to make it look even more fancy than what I made.
go for it. You definitely want to have a detailed list of all the materials you'll need. Maybe take inventory of what you currently have for wreath making. If you don't have any experience making wreaths, definitely look into it online of what you need, what you may already have. Definitely take inventory of what you have. Next step is you don't have to cover the entire wreath with flowers or leaves. Personally, I like it looking full. I don't like it looking half full, half bare. Up to you. Whatever styles you like, you can definitely look online at different wreath styles and see what matches your style per se. If you don't know what you like, maybe sketch it out on some paper. Maybe see what you think you'd like and just have fun with it. That's really important, having fun. Next thing is you can choose various textures and various materials. You can use whatever you like. You can mix and match. That's why I like going to Dollarama for my materials. It's very cheap and they have very nice things. You can go to maybe other crafting stores. Michael's is a major one, at least in Canada. They have a lot of excellent materials that you can make a wreath with. Maybe Walmart. Like, take a picture of it, share it with your friends, and definitely know when to stop. You don't want it looking overbearing. If you want it to look full, that's great. I don't think I made it look too much. Let me know what you think. And down below in the description, I can list all the materials I got. And yeah. Instead of the wreath ring, you can also use like a foam ring or simply a pool noodle. I think my grandma made a wreath out of a pool noodle one year for something. Anyways, in this clip, I'm just adding more filler onto the wreath. I'm done putting the leaves on the wreath, and Gordon and I are just filling it in with pine cones, corn. I don't know what I'm doing with that hay. I think I end up throwing it out. Or no, I'm gluing it, so I guess I added it on my wreath. Okay, surprise. And we're just filling it in, making it look more full, more colorful, more vibrant. That's just my taste. I like being extra. I like colors. I like bright colors. Yeah. Let me know what you think of my wreath down below in the comments. Here I also added some extra leaves. As you can see, I'm just gluing some extra leaves just to fill in a little bit more. There may have been some extra bare spots. I just didn't want it looking bare. Those small leaves I got from the dollar store are very small, very thin, so you don't need to use a lot of glue. The acorns were definitely a great addition to my wreath. I believe it looks beautiful, as you can see in the thumbnail.
There.
Alrighty, and that is our finished product.
What
do you guys think?
Awesome. And it only took us about an hour.
Ish, I don't know. I haven't really been keeping track of time.
I haven't been keeping track of time either.
So what do you guys think of our homemade wreath? Comment down below what you think. I really like it. I think it's the best wreath I've ever found or made. It's the only wreath I've ever made.
I think that's perfect.
All right, anyways. Please like the video, comment down below what you thought.
Subscribe.
Notification bell.
Right
wherever
there.
it is.
Right there. Yeah, right there.
Know.
Anyway.
We'll see you on Vlogtober Day 3.
We'll see you. Bye-bye. Where you get to see us put all this up.